Hello, I'm Barbara for UITS, and I'm going to teach you how to access E-Procurement to create a requisition. So let's get started. Log into My CSU and click on the Staff tab, and then click the Business Finance tab. Under the PeopleSoft Finance heading, click Log in for PeopleSoft Budget Reports and sign into the Georgia First Financials portal with your unique USG password for this site. In the right-hand corner, click on the navigation bar. Go to the navigator, click on E-Procurement, then Requisitions. On the Create Requisitions page, select Special Request. Now you are ready to start creating a requisition. For more information on E-Procurement, you can go to the UITS website or contact the IT Support Help Desk at 706-507-8199. This has been Barbara for UITS. Thank you and have a great day.